This time, we will explain about heat pump hot water system based on M&A design standard book in Japan. Section 9, Heat Pump Hot Water System. We will introduce how to design the capacity of heat pump for hot water. This method can be applied for all of type of building. This is the diagram for heat pump hot water system. There is two type of diagram, open type and closed type system. Open type storage tank has vent pipe and making open to the air. Closed type storage tank has pressure safety valve and maintain the pressure inside. The most difference is the installed location. Open type storage tank was released pressure to the air. So, it should be installed on the terrace to make pressure for use point. Closed type can be keep pressure inside storage tank. Therefore, it can be installed on the ground also. Makeup water point also different. And also should be installed backflow prevention valve before connect hot water line. This is the design step for the capacity selection of heat pump. We can calculate the following three steps. Step 1, to calculate daily hot water load. Step 2, to calculate heating capacity of heat pump unit. Step 3, to calculate storage capacity of heat pump unit. We will start to explain the detail for each step. Step 1, daily hot water load. It can be calculated the following formula. N is number of person for hot water. Q is average hot water load per day. It can be select from the following table, table 9 to 1. But, please be careful, unit is depend on the type of building. THW is hot water supply temperature. TW is makeup water temperature. Step 2, we will use calculated daily hot water load. And then, calculate heating capacity of heat pump unit by the following formula. Alpha 1 to 3 is the several factors, like, heat loss factor from piping in unit, aging factor and safety factor. N1 is nighttime unit operation time. Usually use 10 hours. N2 is daytime unit chasing operation time. Especially when there is a sudden peak load or irregular usage is expected, this chasing operation load to be considered. And other as special note, if it is necessary to consider the defrost operation or low outdoor temperature in winter, add heating capacity separately. Step 3, we will use calculated heating capacity of heat pump unit. And then, calculate storage capacity from this formula. HHP is heating capacity of heat pump unit. N1 is nighttime unit operation time. Normally 10 hours. QHWN is nighttime hot water load. If this is 0, it's mean no hot water load in nighttime. Delta T is temperature difference in heat pump unit. This difference is between supply hot water temperature and makeup water temperature. NS is effective rate of hot water storage. Usually use 0.8. Next, let's check the design considerations. Item 1. Generally, the heating time by the heat pump will be at night. And consider 10 hours heating by utilizing the cheap nighttime power supply. Item 2. To consider noise control for nighttime operation. Especially if there is a house or a house nearby, we should take measures. Item 3. To consider drain point for heat pump unit. The drain should be an indirect drain. Item 4. To consider pressure safety valve if closed type. We should consider an escape line when happen the abnormal high pressure by the imply heating and so on. Item 5. When heat pump installed at terrace and supply hot water downstairs, to consider negative pressure for heat pump unit and install pressure release valve. This background is, if the height difference is big, it is necessary to avoid excessive high pressure due to gravity. At the same time, negative pressure will be happen to the hot water unit on the terrace. So we should check if it is within the specification. Item 6. When install multiple heat pump unit and there is height difference, to consider air release valve and pump capacity considering the air accumulation. Thank you for watching this movie. In this channel, we will provide useful information for M&A design practice. See you again in next movies.